Near the summit, the trail narrows and roughens. It's rocky. There's not as much traffic this far up. I've seen at least a dozen hikers, but there'll be fewer here. Well, I made it to the top. Very tired and thirsty and good and ready for my water. It is now that I finally drink. This is the same bottle I drink at work. Very hungry too. It's the first time I felt my hunger while mountain hiking. And the view here is amazing. This here is a special pole on the very summit. You look through the tunnels on that, you can see important landmarks out there. And next I'll show you the view. If you're not used to it, you're going to have a bit of vertigo with your feet on the ground, which is a paradox. This rocky outcrop is the very summit, and that's a pole. Allows you to see those landsides there exactly where they are. By the way, it's 3:30 p.m. It took me over 100 minutes this time. The trail to the right leads to Ohlone College, and the trail to the left leads to Stanton Avenue, where I came from, or Stanton Road. It's a rather scary thought to go down the wrong path by mistake, end up miles from my car, exhausted. But realistically, how stupid would I have to be? Little squirrel? It's a less afraid squirrel. Usually they're a little more wary than that. Resting on the third bench now. One thing I forgot to mention at the beginning is one good requirement is the right shoes with high traction, good mountain hiking shoes. You don't want to wear smooth sole tennis shoes because the walk down is treacherous all the way. You have to worry about slipping and falling every single step of the way. It takes a long time to hike up because of gravity and a long way down because of instability. This is the second bench, by the way. This is by the first bench. Another scary thought is to be caught in a grass fire. But unlikely. That was tiresome. It's the next day and I still feel it, but I'm happy. It's too bad the battery died, or else there'd be a scene of me having an entire family meal at Boston Market. I ate more than I normally can. I gotta tell you, that mountain is all full of squirrels, like fleas on a dog's back. I like squirrels. I fancy they might evolve into the next intelligent people. Although, maybe not those ones. In the end, mostly what I have to say is that hiking up Mission Peak is all about preparation and patience. Don't even expect to make it the first time. It's not like flatland hiking. You're using different muscles. You'll tire quickly for that reason. It takes multiple tries to really get used to it and get strong for it. Above all, you have to pace yourself. Don't go too quickly or you'll just tire out. It's not like running up a flight of stairs into a building. You have to take a long time to succeed. I'm Mr. Vanilla Caramel, and you just watched me hike a mountain.